In this tutorial, learn how to automatically read search queries from Google Sheets. Use the ScrapeHero Google Maps Search API to find matching businesses and save businesses without a genuine website to a Google Sheet, all using n8n. This workflow can be useful for web development agencies looking to build lead lists. Start by clicking Create New Workflow in n8n. This opens a blank workflow. To add the first node, click the plus icon on the canvas, search for Manual Trigger in the panel that opens on the right, and select it. Next, click the plus icon on the Manual Trigger node, search for Google Sheets, and select it. Then, click on the Get Rows in Sheet action. In Google Sheets node, under Credential, click Setup Credential. Type in your Google account's client ID and client secret to create credentials. Once the credential is connected, open the Resource dropdown and select Sheet within Document. Then open the Operation dropdown and select Get Rows. Next, open the Document field and select the spreadsheet containing your search queries. Then open the Sheet field and select the sheet containing the queries. The sheet should contain the business and location you want to search for. Next, add the Loop Over Items node by clicking the plus icon on the Google Sheets node, searching for it in the panel on the right, and selecting it. The loop is created automatically. From now on, you can add a node by clicking on the plus icon on the return connection of the created loop. Add an Edit Fields loop. In the Edit Fields node, click Add Field, choose String, and name the new field Query. Now click Execute Previous Nodes so that you can see the output of the Loop Over items. Then, in the Value field, use the Expression Editor to combine the business and place values from the loop node's output into a single search query. Next, we need the ScrapeHero API key. Open ScrapeHero Cloud in a new tab and sign in. Go to the App Store and filter by API. Find the Google Maps Search API and click Add to Account. Then open the API, find the API key, and copy it. Return to n8n. Add an HTTP request node. In the HTTP request node, open the Method dropdown and select Get. Then, paste the ScrapeHero Google Maps Search API endpoint into the URL field. Under Authentication, select Generic Credential Type. Then open Generic Auth Type and select Query Auth. Under Credentials, click Setup Credentials. Enter the query parameter, x-API-key, required by the ScrapeHero API, and paste the API key you copied from ScrapeHero Cloud into the Value field. Then save the credential. Next, turn on Send Query Parameters. Under Query Parameters, click Add Parameter. Enter Input as the parameter name. For the value, click the Expression option and select the Query field from the Edit Fields node. This passes the search query from Google Sheets to the ScrapeHero API. Now add a Split Out node. In the Split Out node, enter listing underscore data in the field to Split Out field. This separates the individual business listings returned by the API so they can be processed separately. Next, add a Filter node. In the Filter node, add the conditions for the website field. Filter for listings where the website is empty or where the website contains Facebook or Instagram. Next, add an If node. Set the condition to check whether the name field exists. The If node has two outputs. Connect the unsuccessful output back to the Loop Over Items node. This allows the workflow to skip an item that doesn't have a business name and continue with the next search. Connect this If node to Edit Fields. In the second Edit Fields node, add the fields that should be kept from each listing, including the business name, address, rating, reviews, URL, phone number, keyword, category, and the original search input. Finally, connect the Google Sheets node and select it. In this node, select the Google Sheets credential created earlier. Open the Operation dropdown and select Append Row. Then choose the destination spreadsheet and sheet. Map the fields from the previous Edit Fields node to the corresponding columns in the sheet. The workflow is now ready. n8n will read each search query from Google Sheets. Send it to the ScrapeHero Google Maps Search API. Process the returned listings. Filter for businesses without a genuine website. And append the qualifying results to the destination Google Sheet. And that's it. With a single click, you can turn a list of business searches into a lead list of businesses that may need a website.